Hi everyone, this is Cindy, the Cricut Heart, and I'm here to share a project for the CC Designs, their monthly challenge. So their challenge this month is to do anything but a card. So I did make cards, but I did a card box I was going to share with you guys. I used the Summer Fun stamp set and dies from CC Designs, as well as this watermelon Abigail. And I also used Popsicle. So this one's new to me, but this one I use a lot. So let me show you. So the box, actually I did not make the box, but there's lots of instructions on the internet to make a box like this. I had purchased La La Land's, I forget, February box, Valentine's Day box. It had a special box you could buy. And so it came with some things that you could alter. So it came with a box including the acetate for it. It came with these pouches, and then it also came with these coffee liners. So I used the box, and all I did was construct the box and put in the acetate, and I just decorated it with the Popsicle little girl stamp right here, and the Just a Note, which is also from CC Designs as well. So when you open up the box, I just have these little cards in here. I'll show you. Now the paper that I'm using, I've had the paper for a while, so I'm kind of excited to pull it out. It's called Popsicles and Pandas from Bella Boulevard. So I'm using that. And the thing about this paper is one side has the pattern and then the opposite side is a solid. So it's a pretty cool way to match up and a good way to be able to use all the parts of your paper. So I like that. And it's a different size. I think it's a 6x8 paper pad. But I made 4x4 little cards, and they're blank on the inside, and they all pretty much fairly are the same. So I used my Cat Scrappiness matte die for this, and then I would just do a sentiment. So this one says, "You're the coolest," and here's my little Popsicle girl colored up. And then this one right here, and this is just the B side of this paper. And I colored these in with my Copics. This one has a die that goes with it, so it makes it a little easier to cut out. It just says "Waving Hello." And then I just absolutely love this little watermelon girl. So I actually colored another one of her that I'm going to use for another project. And then the sentiment says, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine." And it's this cute watermelon paper that just goes with it so perfectly. So that's my project. I like how it came out. I think it looks really, really cute. So I'm kind of stockpiling some items for Happy Mail. I haven't done any Happy Mail swaps or challenges lately. I haven't actually seen too many on YouTube. But yeah, so just have them ready to go because my life is so busy, and it's just easier to have things on hand. Anyway, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart. Thank you for watching.